If ChatGPT is not working for you right now, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try to get it working again. This is a simple step-by-step guide for common issues, like the page not loading, messages not sending, or ChatGPT freezing up in your browser. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading problem, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. If that does not work, move on to the next step and check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, because a weak or unstable connection can cause ChatGPT to stop responding or fail to load properly. If your internet looks fine but ChatGPT is still not working, try logging out and logging back in again. This can fix account session issues, especially if you are signed into the wrong account or your login session has expired. Be sure you are using the correct account before signing back in. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can interfere with websites and cause strange errors, including issues with ChatGPT. If you don't want to clear everything, you can also try opening ChatGPT in Incognito Mode or private browsing mode. That gives you a fresh session without old cookies or cache getting in the way. If it still is not working, try using a different browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, switch to Edge, or if you are on Edge, try Chrome. Sometimes the problem is browser-specific, and changing browsers can solve it immediately. Another important fix is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN tools, or privacy extensions, because they can sometimes block parts of ChatGPT from loading correctly. Turn them off one by one and test ChatGPT again to see if one of them is causing the issue. By following these steps, you can usually fix ChatGPT not working without needing any advanced troubleshooting. Start with the simple refresh, check your connection, sign out and back in, clear your cache, try Incognito Mode, switch browsers, and disable extensions if needed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.